Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix error 0xc0007b application error. So to fix this error we have to go to our Google Chrome tab. So we are in our Google Chrome, so we will go to this site. We have to install DirectX end user. So now we will click on download. So the DirectX setup has been downloading. Now we will click on here. Now we will accept the agreement and next. The DirectX setup is installing in my PC. So the installation has been completed. So now after this we will go to our new tab. So now after this we will update our .NET framework. We will click on the first link. Now in here we will download the latest version. Now we will click on the .NET framework 4.8, which is recommended for me. So we click on .NET Framework 4.8 runtime. So now our .NET Framework 4.8 web installer has been downloaded. Now we will click on this setup, and now we will so now after these two installations and updating our .NET Framework, our error 0xc0007b application error will be solved. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Labs.